Is it the right time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Meta. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, February 14, 2024. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important to stay informed about any significant updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of December 7, 2023, our system has identified Meta as a buy candidate, with a score of 2.85. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have experienced a remarkable gain of 44.92% since we first recommended Meta as a buy candidate 47 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 0.96% since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock is currently experiencing a strong upward trend, indicating a potential rise in the future. Over the next 3 months, there is a projected 37.76% change, with a possible return ranging from 18.96% to 43.42%. Looking ahead to the next 12 months, the trend suggests a 76.76% change, with a potential return between 31.13% and 79.9%. This could result in a price range of $620.61 to $851.42 after a year. Our latest update for Meta brings good news. The stock price of Meta increased by 2.86% on Wednesday. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, February 14, 2024, the Meta stock price rose from $460.12 to $473.28. Throughout the day, the stock had a fluctuation of 1.71%, reaching a low of $466.12 and a high of $474.11. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 6 of them, with an overall increase of 21.31% in the past 2 weeks. The trading volume decreased by 2 million shares on the last day, and a total of 17 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $7.83 billion. Keep in mind that a decrease in volume on higher prices can indicate divergence and serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price for Meta stock was $485.96, while the lowest was $167.66. Currently, the price is 2.61% or $12.68 below the 52-week high of $485.96, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Analyst ratings. On Friday, February 2, 2024, KeyBank gave Meta an overweight grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, January 31, 2024, Needham gave Meta a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, January 31, 2024, JMP Securities gave Meta a market outperform grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, January 30, 2024, UBS gave Meta an overweight grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, January 30, 2024, Mizuho Securities gave Meta an overweight grade with a hold action. Meta stock has received an impressive overall rating of strong buy from analysts. The PE ratio and price-to-book ratio are both rated as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts highly recommend buying this stock. Let's take a look at the signals for Meta stock. The Meta stock is showing positive signs as it has buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable forecast for the stock. Additionally, the short-term average is above the long-term average, further supporting the buy signal. In case of a downward correction, the stock has support at $466.39 and $396.31. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it will issue sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Despite gaining prices, the volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning sign. It is important to closely monitor the stock in this situation. On the other hand, there are some negative signals that may impact the stock's short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, February 2, 2024, resulting in a 0.360% decrease so far. It is expected that the stock will continue to fall until a new bottom pivot point is identified. Let's explore some interesting signals you should know about. One signal to consider is the moving average convergence divergence, which suggests a buy signal. Another signal to take note of is pivots, indicating a sell signal 9 days ago. Bollinger Bands also provide a buy signal 9 days ago. The short-term moving average, on the other hand, suggests a sell signal 3 days ago. Meanwhile, the long-term moving average shows a buy signal 48 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart, we can see that the short moving average indicates a buy signal 47 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average reflects a buy signal 75 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop-loss for Meta. When it comes to support levels, Meta has found strong support at $469.59. This is a crucial buying opportunity as we can expect an upward reaction when this support level is tested. It's important to keep an eye on this level. However, it's worth noting that Meta is considered a high-risk stock due to its volatility. The Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval, further emphasizing the risk involved. So, it's essential to proceed with caution. Let's take a look at the stock's recent performance. In the past day, Meta had a price range of $7.99, representing a 1.71% fluctuation between the high and low points. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.94%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Meta, it's important to understand some key fundamental data. Let's start with the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Meta has a relatively normal P/E ratio, which is often seen in businesses with a long track record or predictable revenues. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q1 2024 is expected on April 24, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $4.20. It's essential to keep a close eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's dive into some potential day trading levels for Meta. If Meta follows an upward trend, the first resistance level to keep an eye on is at $474.99. If you're considering entering a position and don't own any shares yet, it may be wise to wait until this level is breached. For those who already hold the stock, this could be an interesting level for swing trading. On the downside, Meta faces its first support level at $469.59. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the potential for a rebound. The consensus rating for Meta, based on multiple analyst sources, is strong buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. The most recent insider transactions involve Zuckerberg Mark, who both bought and sold a total of 146,527 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power ratio is negative, standing at -7.336. In the last 100 trades, insiders purchased 1,558,564 shares and sold 1,807,458 shares. For this stock, we recommend setting the stop-loss at $458.58, which is a decrease of 3.11%. It's important to note that this stock has high daily movements, which comes with higher risk. In addition, there is a sell signal from a pivot top that was identified 8 days ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, we believe that Meta stock presents a potential buying opportunity in the short term. There are several positive signals and a generally positive trend. However, it's important to note that our systems have identified that the current price may be overvalued, considering the volatility and movements observed during the last trading day. Looking ahead to Thursday, February 15th, we expect Meta stock to open lower by -$2.11, with an initial trading price of $471.17. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of losing money. It's always advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. It's crucial not to solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we're taking a closer look at the current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts. What target do you have in mind for this stock? We appreciate your support, so please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We wish you nothing but success in your trading journey and hope you have a fantastic day. Regards, the Stock Invest team.